Good evening. Welcome to Left, Right and Centre. I'm Vishnu Shom. On the program tonight, the police allow protesting farmers to hold their tractor rally in Delhi on Republic Day. There may be 15,000 tractors on the roads of the national capital, but there are restrictions, and the police say that there is a security scare, a security concern. We'll tell you about that. This on a day in which farmer protests just got bigger, with thousands of farmers descending on Mumbai. They'd walked in the large part from Nashik. They say they are a part of the movement that opposes the farmer laws, which the centre still refuses to repeal.
Hundreds and thousands of tractors moving towards the national capital as farmers plan to hold Kisan Gantantra Parade on 26th of January. Delhi police have given them an in-principle permission.
63 से 64 किलोमीटर का स्ट्रेच टिकरी बॉर्डर से एंटर करने पर और वही करीब 62-63 किलोमीटर का स्ट्रेच जब हम सिंघू बॉर्डर से एंटर करते हैं तब, और गाजीपुर से जब एंटर करते हैं तो तकरीबन 46 किलोमीटर का जो स्ट्रेच जो टोटल साइकिल है।
सभी स्टेटों वाले अपनी अपनी जो झांकियां हैं वो अलग अलग से दिखना चाहिए कि ये स्टेट की बैनर अलग अलग हो। लड़कों को सबको समझा रहे हैं, नौजवानों को, कि भाई इसमें बिल्कुल शांति से जाना है और डिसिप्लिन में जाना है।
Police say the number of tractors which will be permitted to enter Delhi is yet to be decided. The rally will take place after the Republic Day program is over. Delhi police say they will be providing security as there are intelligence inputs about attempts to disrupt the farmers' rally.
इसमें जितने जो लोग इससे जुड़े हुए हैं उनके मन में एक भ्रम पैदा करने के लिए 308 ट्विटर हैंडल पाकिस्तान से जनरेट हुए हैं.
In the run-up to the special parade, unique preparations are on at all the protest sites. Students, artists are preparing a tableau, upcycling waste at Tikri border.
हम लोग इसको पूरा रिसाइकल्ड मीडियम में पूरा इंस्टॉलेशन बना रहे हैं, so that आर्टिस्ट जो किसान के साथ है वो अपनी बात इस लेवल पे पहुंचा सके कि 95% लोगों के भूख का निवाले का सवाल है.
Farmer from Zira, Pavitra Barar, has developed a remote control tractor. Sunil Gulia from Haryana has modified his tractor, spending a total of 40 lakh rupees on it.
Farmers have already rejected government's proposal to hold 3 new farm laws for 1.5 years and then have dialogue. And now comes this massive tractor parade, sending out a clear message that farmers want nothing less than revocation of these 3 new farm laws. With camera person Pavan Kumar, Arun Singh for NDTV.
The tractor parade has started and we have started here from Ambala district, and I'm joined here by 3 farmers who are moving towards Delhi. अब जा रहे हैं, क्या सोच के जा रहे हैं? आगे भारत देश का झंडा भी लगाया हुआ है आपने.
कोई बात नहीं, जो जैसा होगा देखा जाएगा.
अच्छा, देशद्रोही थोड़ा है. हमने भारत का भी झंडा लगाया हुआ, अपना किसान मजदूर एकतावाद का भी झंडा लगाया हुआ है. हम तो अपने हक लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं. हम कौन सा किसी गलत कहने या कुछ करने जा रहे हैं, ना हम कोई शरारत करने जा रहे हैं. कैसे आपके मीडिया वाले दिखाते हैं कि कोई शरारती अंसर कोई पंजाब से दिल्ली में शरारत करना थोड़ा जाएगा. हम तो अपने हक मांगने जा रहे हैं. People have already started moving from Kurukshetra, from Karnal, from Sonipat and Panipat as well. They are all reaching towards the Singhu border, which falls on this national highway. And on the roadside on these highways, you can see tractors have been parked. There are people who are raising slogans. So I'll also show you some people still stationed here in this tractor here. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप?
ਅਸੀਂ ਜੀ ਬਟਾਲਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ, डिस्ट्रिक्ट गुरदासपुर, पिंड दवानीवाल, पंजाब.
अच्छा, और आप लोग क्या-क्या सामान लेके जा रहे हैं?
सामान जी अपने पानी है पीने के लिए जी, अपनी रजाइयाँ हैं.
We started our journey from Ambala district. I got along with Mr. Sukhkaran Singh from Fatehgarh Sahab, who have started his journey from Fatehgarh Sahab to Delhi to participate in this farm protest. And I am in this tractor, you can see behind me. His fellow villagers are also here in this trolley.
जिस हिसाब से ये कट हो रहा है, जो 26 जनवरी की परेड बताई गई है, इसका बहुत प्रेशर होगा सरकार पे, उनको बदलना पड़ेगा. ये अभी पहले हुआ नहीं, ये इतिहास है जो पहले हो रखा था, ये दोहराया जा रहा है।
All right, so this is a couple of important points, and we'll be looking at the situation in Maharashtra as well, where thousands of farmers from Nashik have now started descending on the Azad Maidan in Mumbai. But a big day for protesters on the outskirts of Delhi. They've been allowed to come into Delhi with their tractors. 15,000 tractors approximately is what is expected in that Republic Day rally. Joining us now, Naresh Sirohi, Vice President of the BJP's Kisan Morcha. We are also joined by Kavita Kurukanti, a working group member of the All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee. Dr. Ajit Nawale, AIKS State General Secretary, will talk to us about the Maharashtra situation. We are also joined by Sanjeev Kumar Chadda, the MD of NAFED, the National Agriculture Marketing Federation. Thank you all very much for being with us. Kavita, let me come to you first. There are restrictions, right, for the rally planned on Republic Day into Delhi. For starters, it cannot come at the same time as the Republic Day parade. Is that something entirely acceptable to protesting farmers?
Well, the protesting farmers are wanting to make a very simple statement that they are contributing to the sovereignty of the country as much as the Jawans at the border. And they want to say that they have every right to come into Delhi. And you remember that for 60 days now, they had been stopped. They are waiting out in the cold winter of Delhi, and they've been waiting there patiently for 60 days now. And they are wanting to come into Delhi and assert a fairly simple thing of saying that we also want to mark the Republic Day of the country. And in terms of restrictions, how this will happen and so on, as you know, there have been elaborate multiple rounds of discussions with the police, and routes have been laid out after much thinking so that traffic snarls can be avoided as much as possible. You know, both the public
but Kavita,
and
my
the
question to you
protesting
is it
farmers are not
acceptable to the farmers
inconvenienced.
that they cannot come out at a time when the Republic Day parade is on? That's acceptable to you, that you will have your rally once Republic Day parade is over, right?
Yes, and this year's Republic Day parade, the official one in any case, is a much scaled down
Yes, it
version.
is.
And for lakhs of people to get into this farmer parade, in any case, it's going to take some time to organize themselves once the barricades are removed.
Got it.
So it will end up being after the official Republic
Right.
Day parade.
नरेश जी, दिल्ली पुलिस ने अब परमिशन दे दी है, ये ट्रैक्टर रैली होगा रिपब्लिक डे पे। इनको कहना है कि 15,000 से ज़्यादा ट्रैक्टर्स आएंगे, शायद काफ़ी ट्रैक्टर्स पहुंच चुके हैं हरियाणा और पंजाब से ऑलरेडी दिल्ली के बॉर्डर्स पे। तो इस पे आपका क्या रिएक्शन है, क्योंकि सरकार ने कहा था सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कि ये होना नहीं चाहिए रिपब्लिक डे पे?
देखिए, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि किसान बहुत शांति प्रिय वर्ग है और देश के इतिहास में इसने कभी हिंसा नहीं की है, इसका हिंसा में विश्वास भी नहीं है। दूसरी बात यह है कि ये देश के लिए जान देने वाले लोग हैं और जो गणतंत्र परेड है वो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी, ये ऐतिहासिक होगी। ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कहीं भी देश की आन को, शान को, बान को किसान भाई बट्टा लगाएं। तो देश का किसान, पुलिस प्रशासन, जो जवान है और सरकार, तीनों का सामंजस्य बैठेगा और पूरी दुनिया में एकता, अखंडता और राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि है, ये संदेश इसमें से जाने वाला है। मैं तो इसी रूप में
एक चीज बताइए, आप कह रहे देश की आन, देश की शान, किसान लोगों को कहना है कि ये उनका जो प्रोटेस्ट है वो शायद इतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है। अब आप देश के आन, शान ये सब कह रहे, पर उनके प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में भी जरा सोचिए। रिपब्लिक डे एक सिर्फ परेड नहीं है, मतलब परेड के अलावा और चीज भी है। ये किसान लोग के प्रोटेस्ट अब 60 दिन के लिए चल रहा है।
देखिए किसानों के मन में जो बात है और किसान जिस प्रोटेस्ट को लेके दिल्ली आए हुए हैं, मैं बताता हूं कि उस गणतंत्र दिवस के दिन वो मुद्दे पीछे रहेंगे और देश के लिए, देश की शान बान और एक देश की अखंडता जो विदेशी ताकतें चाहती हैं कि देश में अशांति हो और किसान के माथे पर कलंक पुते, मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसान उस बात को, उनके मंसूबों को पूरा होने देंगे।
Kavita, is that an explanation that is acceptable to you, that the pomp and the pageantry associated with Republic Day shouldn't be affected by your protests?
It will not be. In fact, the farmers are saying that they also want to be seen upholding the dignity and the pride that this country has on its Republic Day. They're going to do nothing of that sort. They are certainly going to show the strength and support that they have mustered in their own protests so far, and it will certainly be an expression of the number of people who are involved in the ongoing protests. It will be that, but it will also be about the Republic Day being marked by the farmers, saying that they have made immense contributions to this country. They've been ignored. This sector has been ignored. Farm livelihoods have been ignored. Today it's back in the debate. It is in the debate. And this is one more day when farmers are going to say that, look, we are seeking dignity. We are seeking our rights. Don't destroy our livelihoods.
All
it's
right.
as simple as that.
Mr. Chadha, the bottom line over here is that on the one hand, we'll be having farmers protesting on Republic Day with this tractor rally, but there's no progress as far as the demands. It's entirely deadlocked, right? The farmers are not going away anywhere. They've rejected being the panel suggested by the Supreme Court. They've rejected what the centre has suggested, that 18 months they will not implement the laws. So where does one go from here?
Well, Vishnu, I would say that in India everybody has a right to protest. But protesting on a national day like Republic Day, when we rejoice our republichood, I think that was strictly avoidable. Now coming to the demands which they have put, government has proven that MSP is going to stay, and this year procurement has taken place. It's more than 15-20% ahead. And after government announced that 18 months they are going to defer it, so rejecting it outrightly and rejecting the suggestions of Honorable Court, I think the farmers are groups are being very unreasonable. Government has been listening to them and is willing to accommodate whatever concerns they have in the acts.
Okay.
So I would say that all over India, if you see, there is overwhelming support for the act. Except 2-3 states which farmers are they are protesting. So at the cost of more than 70-80% of the farmers of the country, and they can't hold government to ransom like this. I think they are losing support, public support in a big way, and I think the real objective of the movement is going away from the real welfare of the farmers. So
to what?
Laws
it's
are not
going away from
just,
the real welfare of the farmers to what, Mr. Chadha?
See, the acts which are giving the options to the farmers to sell their produce the way they want outside the APMCs. So there is a stranglehold of APMCs around.
Okay, no, you're talking about I just wanted to understand the issues that you're talking about. I wanted to go across to Yogendra Yadav, who also joins us now. So let's first talk, Mr. Yadav, about what you have now been allowed to do. Protesting farmers can enter Delhi, but you cannot disturb the Republic Day parade. Is it okay for you that the pomp and pageantry of Republic Day can happen at a certain time, but at that time you cannot showcase your protest? I fail to understand why the two cannot happen at the same time. Is it a security issue? I mean, that would make sense.
Vishnu, first I heard something funny being said today on television just a few seconds ago. Someone was saying that farmers organizations are fast losing support. This coming on a day when I'm sure your report must have shown thousands and tens of thousands of tractors walking into Delhi, marching into Delhi, hundreds of kilometers of possible queues that are for that particular event. And for someone to then say, well, this is a mark of farmers' unions losing support, that's rather funny. Incidentally, Vishnu, you raised the question about the Republic Day parade. From day one, On 2nd of January, we had addressed a press conference where we had announced this program of 26th of January. And we were the first ones to say, before we spoke to police or anyone else, we said, we shall not disrupt or disturb the Republic Day parade in any possible way. Someone had said, would you march into Rajpath? We said, absolutely not, because Republic Day parade is not for one government or one political party. It's a national honor, and we shall do nothing to disturb it. If anything, our resolve to do it on 26th of January is about raising the prestige of the Republic, because we've forgotten, Republic is about the public.
Yes.
Republic is a day of sovereignty of the public. And if public, that is to say farmers, march in with tricolor in their hand and with their specific demands, suggestions, and their farmer union flags as well, to my mind, that only enhances the reputation of the Republic. And I would love to be in a country where ordinary people come on to the streets on the Republic Day. What better sign of Republic can there be?
Okay. Mr. Yadav, the police had some specific concerns. They said there were, 300 odd Twitter accounts which had been set up to sort of instigate some sort of commotion, for want of a better word. Is there a security concern that you believe is valid? As you go into these, into your huge protests?
Vishnu, we had 6 rounds of conversations with the police. And all those rounds of conversation, discussions, dialogues would confirm, and I'm sure police officers will confirm that to you. In every single meeting, we agreed upon 2 basics. Number 1, this has to be peaceful. We cannot take risks. We shall not compromise on anything about security. Number 2, this is a national honor, and we shall not let this Republic down on a Republic Day. On this, police and we agreed completely. We agreed to many of the suggestions of the police precisely because of this. And I can give you one example. From Shahjahan, we wanted to march at least up to the Dhola Kuan.
Mm-hmm.
The police said Dhola Kuan is next to cantonment. There is international airport. And before that is the NSG headquarters in Manesar, which they said for reasons which we cannot tell you, this is particularly sensitive on 26th of January. Immediately we said, all right, we'll stop there. We'll stop before NSG Manesar. We have made compromises. Yes, we have, because national security matters as much to us as to anyone else. Yes, there are security concerns. These 300 plus Twitter accounts that Delhi police has spoken about, these are Twitter accounts from Pakistan, which they say are being used to provoke, to create trouble. We said, fine, let's try and combat it. Okay. We have, with our very detailed do's and don'ts, which I'm sure must have reached you by now, we have issued very detailed instructions to every single person who is coming into this parade, which I think are stronger instructions that even Delhi police would have issued.
Mr. Yadav, so that people across India understand this, how big do you expect this to be? Because the numbers we've heard, 15,000 tractors, is that accurate?
No, not at all. I'm afraid 15,000 tractors is something which would be, my guess is about 10,000 tractors were parked. And this is not my estimate. This is police estimate 1 week ago. That 10,000 tractors were parked outside Delhi 1 week ago. But right now, tractors from all over the country, Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Western Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, are marching into Delhi. My estimate is we are looking at something like 1 lakh plus tractors. I cannot say how many persons.
1 lakh plus tractors?
Yes. That's
just exactly tractors, and each tractor would have, maybe 2-3 people at the very least,
At the very I'm not speaking of cars and other vehicles which are coming. We are looking at something extraordinary, Vishnu. You can just call your correspondent in Chandigarh, call your correspondent in Rohtak, ask them about what they are witnessing on the roads, or call anyone who's traveling.
They're with the farmers. In fact, they've been saying this. I didn't appreciate that the numbers would be as large as what you say. It's extraordinary.
Something historic, and that's why I said saying that farm unions are losing support would be worse than funny. This is truly historic, Vishnu. I'm not giving to exaggerations, and I'm not one of those who quietly slips in a zero at the end of any number. No, And when I say 1 lakh, I actually mean more than 1 lakh tractors are coming to Delhi. And we have had to say, please do not bring trolleys. And if you are bringing trolleys, please leave them behind. Don't take that into parade, because we are now concerned. Initially, we had said, give us ring road, outer ring road, which covers about 47 kilometers. We thought it's big enough. Then we had to say, no, we don't want one parade because 47 kilometers is nothing. Now we have 6 rings across Delhi going on, each of which is about 100 kilometers. And we are worried that even those 500 kilometers of that entire route would be insufficient. So yes, we are pleased. Yes, we are worried.
All right. I also want to focus, and let's bring up the shots of what's been happening in Maharashtra today. Any number of farmers marching into the Azad Maidan in Mumbai from Nashik, many of them on foot. The large number, in fact, on foot, have been coming in the last little while. I'm joined by, at the stage by Naresh Siroi, Vice President. In fact, I've got Dr. Ajit Nawale, the AIK State General Secretary. Dr. Nawale, thank you very much for being with us. कल जो आज़ाद मैदान में आपका प्रदर्शन है, इसका मेन मुद्दा क्या है? आप दिल्ली के बाहर जो किसान लोग हैं उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए आप ये आज़ाद मैदान में अपना प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे?
देखिए, ये आंदोलन में लगातार ये जताने की कोशिश की जा रही थी कि ये आंदोलन केवल पंजाब, हरियाणा और दिल्ली के आजू बाजू के राज्यों के किसानों का है और बाकी किसानों से इसमें कुछ लेन देन नहीं है। लेकिन जैसा कि 8 तारीख को हमने साबित किया कि पूरे देश के किसान इस आंदोलन में शामिल है और ये जो 3 काले कानून लाए गए हैं उसका विरोध कर रहे हैं और रेम्युनेटिव प्राइस को एक कानूनी दायरा दिया जाए, इसके हक में खड़े हैं। किसान संयुक्त मोर्चा ने जो अपील की थी 23, 24, 25, 26 तारीख को अलग अलग राज्यों की राजधानियों में भी इस प्रकार का आंदोलन हो और ये व्हीकल मार्च निकाले जाए, महापड़ाव हो और राजभवन में मोर्चे निकाले जाए, तो उस अपील के चलते किसान सभा और बाकी 100 से ज़्यादा संगठन महाराष्ट्र में इकट्ठा आए हैं। शेतकरी कामगार संयुक्त कृति समिति इस बैनर के तले ये सारे संगठन जुटे हैं। किसान सभा ने कल 23 तारीख से जो बहुत बड़ा एक व्हीकल मार्च नासिक से निकाला, 15,000 से ज़्यादा किसान उसमें जुटे। आज हम आज़ाद मैदान में पहुंच रहे हैं और जो अलग अलग 100 से ज़्यादा संगठन है उनके किसान और कामगार और बाकी श्रमिक जनता आज आज़ाद मैदान में हम जुट रहे हैं। कल हमें पूरा यकीन है कि 50,000 से ज़्यादा लोग इकट्ठा होंगे, एक बड़ी सभा होगी और उसके बाद इन कानूनों को विरोध करने के लिए रेम्युनेटिव प्राइस को एक कानूनी दायरा दिया जाए, इस मांग को लेके हम बहुत बड़ा जुलूस यहाँ पे निकालेंगे। राजभवन पे हम चलते जाएंगे और एक दबाव बनाएंगे। पूरे देश के किसान साथ में खड़े हैं इस आंदोलन को। इसका संदेशा महाराष्ट्र से बहुत ताकत के साथ देने की कोशिश हम कल करेंगे।
जी, Mr. Chadha, just a quick reaction from you. I don't have very much time. You mentioned that these farmers outside Delhi, they weren't really enjoying very much support from other farmers. It seems that Maharashtra tomorrow is going to be huge. So, I mean, it is spreading, isn't it?
Vishnu, I would say that around 15 crore farmers are there in the country. So around 70% farmers are very small and marginal farmers. They can't afford a tractor like this. People who are being brought in to create a public spectacle.
These are farmers who have come by foot from Nashik, a large number of them. The others have come by vehicles.
I know, but see the kind of support the FPOs, the farmers cooperatives, they have already placed to the government and to these laws. Really, these reforms are progressive. If somebody has apprehensions, I think they should discuss. Government has already said that they can come and discuss.
Okay.
So farmers belong to the nation. They are very important for the nation.
All right.
So that option is already there. But
Mahesh Tapse, last word to you. We got you a bit late, Chief Spokesperson of the NCP. What is your expectation of this rally in Azad Maidan? Because Sharad Pawar is going to be the senior leader speaking over there. Is this to show support to what's happening on Delhi's outskirts, or are the issues being expressed over here somewhat different?
Thank you, Vishnu, for having me on your show. Let me say on record here that NCP stands with the farmers. We totally want the laws to be repealed we first welcomed the stay which was given by the Supreme Court, but yes, we have our apprehensions about the committee which has been named by the Supreme Court as far as to review the farm laws. NCP leader Mr. Sharad Pawar ji has been the Union Agriculture Minister, and he is standing like a firm rock behind the farmers' demand for repeal of the laws. The MSP is a very important issue, and I'm sure that Mr. Yogendra Yadav and all other panelists would agree that the current laws do not have any guarantee of MSP. And yes, tomorrow we are gathering in large numbers. Mr. Navale did mention that about 50,000 farmers are assembling in Azad Maidan. On top of that, the NCP is also mobilizing a large support of the farmers.
All right, I'd like to thank you all very much for joining us. It's quite clear that the support or the strength of the movement in Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, and now on the outskirts of Delhi, the numbers aren't diminishing over there, but there's still no solution or way forward, with both sides entirely deadlocked on the issue of the farmer laws. We'll take a short break and carry on with programming right here on NDTV 24/7.